Where are they?
Alright, so if you want to take a picture, you see them?
Yeah.
Okay, so I got 2 of them. These are your baby starlings. Okay, it's your baby starlings. They're cute little guys. I'm gonna get them outside, see if Mom will take them. So they're cute little guys. They're little fuzzies. So you'll see they're starting to get their feathers in, but right now they're just fuzzy little creatures.
Yeah.
For now, that's the start of their feathering.
Nice.
Okay. So here's all the nesting. I'm gonna get them all comfy real quick. Okay. So now I'll put them outside so Mommy can find them later. Take care of them. All right. Look at that. Look at that. All right, guys. Where are you? I need you. Okay. Come here, buddy. Okay. You're okay. I know. You're calling for Mommy. I know. I got all your nesting for you. Yeah. Okay.